Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by equipping the right gear. Pick an amp or weapon that earns focus reliably. Place a focus lens on the weapon or melee you use most, because lenses convert affinity to focus. This matters for speed. Once done, select the focus school that complements your frame abilities and bind one core ability or mod flow to focus gains. This establishes a consistent pipeline, so every kill or objective directly advances your focus progress. Next, optimize how you earn focus. Pick fast, high-affinity missions, spy, rescue, or high-level exterminates, because quicker runs mean more cycles. Use affinity boosters and play in squads that share affinity to double your returns. This compounds with lenses. Make sure to prioritize survival and objective completion. Long downtime or repeated revives lowers effective gain. Also, switch weapons occasionally to funnel focus into multiple lenses, and keep kill streaks steady to maximize point conversion. Finally, allocate the focus you earned. Unlock passive nodes first to raise baseline benefits, then buy active powers that reinforce your combat loop. This reduces wasted points. If you misallocate, use a respec option to reassign. It's a small resource cost for better synergy. If focus stops accruing, check that lenses are still equipped, boosters are active, and the mission type grants affinity. If problems persist, relog or restart the mission to clear client-side issues. Most glitches fix this way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.